guys, this is Bidisha of Mermaid Bidisha here. As you can see, this is a vlog. I am traveling to the west coast, so thought why not show you all what I'm packing in my bag. And I'm still not done with it yet, but whatever I have packed till now, I'm going to show you all quickly. I'm going to stay in Seattle for a week with my girlfriend. But I'm going to vlog in Seattle as well, and from there I'll be traveling to Memphis. So whatever I'm taking right now, it's going to be in a carry-on luggage, so you can understand how little I'm taking, and I'm going to make the most out of it. And that's been the goal of this year, as you all know, to use up the things that I already own. So this is the bag that I'm carrying. I got this bag from Costco, very sturdy, and these are the things which are inside till now. And I also have another dress which I need to put inside. So I'm carrying two denim. I like straight cut denim, so got this one. Then the next one is this high rise ankle slim denim. Then I'm taking all winter clothes mostly. That's why I got this high neck top from TJ Maxx, and I'm going to wear it over there. I really love the material, and I got it at a great deal. Then the next one that I have is this beautiful woolen top. It's again high neck. I kept it in a Ziploc packet because this color is light and I don't want anything to stain it. Then these cozy tops are must have. If you have Costco membership, make sure you check these out, especially this one. You know, the back of it is black and the front is, I guess, ash, and the sleeves are maroon. This is a gift for my friend. It's a dress cum romper. Kept it over here. I'm taking a sari. You'll get to see very soon. I'm yet to pack some more loungewear, and I have my Christmas outfits which I didn't even wear. I need to wear this, so I packed them. See, winter Christmas outfits. I have this glitzy skirt, and I'm gonna pack the top for it. Remember the top which I got from New Orleans? If you haven't checked that vlog, make sure you check it to see the top that I'm going to wear with this one. So this is one earring that I'm gonna wear with another dress which I'm about to show you. And I'm also packing this one. Maybe I'll wear this with the blue skirt. There's another earring. And I have this beautiful bangle that I got last time when I was in India. This is the dress I was talking about. It has balloon sleeves. I'm going to wear those circle golden earrings with this and with a belt. These are the things that I packed in my makeup bag. I took a foundation, compact, a darker compact to add depth to my eye makeup if needed, or to contour my nose. A lip liner from MAC. This is in the shade Beat. I love this. And two lipsticks, one from Maybelline, one from Milani, a concealer, a lip balm for sure, one kohl liner, brow products, mascaras, and another red lipstick. Cream blush. I love to use cream blush during winter time, and I'm carrying this multi-purpose product that I got from 5 Below store. I can use it as highlighter or eyeshadow. Also, I'm going to wear this animal print cardigan. I love it. I got it from Marshalls, and this I'm going to wear while I travel, so I'll keep it outside. So I still have to pack my bathing towel, my inner garments, and sunscreen lotion, which is a must. And I'm going to pack my sandals. I'm going to wear my combat boots and go. Also carry my laptop and camera with which I'm filming right now. For now, let me continue my packing. I also need to add some loungewear. I just recollected. I'll keep talking to myself right now because I'm in the process of packing. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to come back to my channel every Sunday and Thursday, and of course anytime you want to, because I already uploaded so many videos and I'll keep continuing doing so. Bye.